Storm brews at one of India's top engineering institutions. IIT Kharagpur, a premier engineering institution, is embroiled in a major controversy. Accusations of favoritism, faculty selection irregularities, and administrative mismanagement under Director V.K. Tiwari's leadership have led to mass protests and disciplinary actions. The IIT Teachers Association began the confrontation in September by writing to Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. They accused the administration of arbitrary faculty recruitment, favoritism, and vindictiveness. The association also highlighted the failure to establish a multi-speciality hospital on campus and requested the appointment of a new director after Tiwari's tenure ends in January 2025. In response, the administration issued showcase notices to IITTA's 4 office bearers, demanding evidence for their claims within a week. The IITTA requested more time. The conflict deepened on November 28 when 86 faculty members signed a mass petition demanding the withdrawal of notices to the 4 office bearers. The administration retaliated the next day by issuing show cause notices to all 86 signatories, citing violation of conduct rules prohibiting joint representations. Faculty members threatened a hunger strike and nearly 100 of them staged a silent protest march wearing black bands. The IITTA is reportedly considering legal action. On December 2nd, the administration removed 3 heads of departments: mathematics, artificial intelligence, and bioscience and biotechnology. All 3 were signatories of the petition. Although no official reason was cited, the timing of the move has raised questions. Sources noted that these department heads were removed mid-tenure during a critical academic period. On December 3rd, IIT Kharagpur released a statement rejecting all allegations. The institute accused the 85 faculty members of propagating a hateful agenda and disrupting academic workflows. It claimed that many signatories were unaware of the petition's motive and had begun withdrawing support. The administration emphasized that such behavior should not be encouraged in an academic institution. The situation remains tense as faculty members and IITTA deliberate further actions, including legal recourse. The administration has not issued further clarifications, and Director V.K. Tiwari has yet to respond publicly. Stay tuned for updates on this developing story.